Hey everyone, Lucas at Laminex, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our Laminex paint protection film as well as the pre-cut paint protection product options we offer to specifically fit and protect your vehicle. Let's go. So what is Laminex paint protection film? Laminex paint protection film is a strong, durable, clear sheet of film that's adhesive backed and made for an easy peel and stick installation. It's made to protect the paint on your cars from any rock chip impact damage, any scratch damage, or even any stains that might impact your vehicle. And because our Laminex is self-healing, it can take this damage and over time in the heat, it will actually heal back up. So where can I install Laminex? We make Laminex paint protection products
in the form of door edge guards
that wraps around the edge of your door and protects it from any impact damage as you're opening your door in a tight parking lot or even in your own garage and you hit another vehicle causing that impact damage. The Laminex will actually prevent that from happening. We also make pre-cut protection for our door cup handle area. That way as you're getting in with your door handle and you might be wearing a ring or you might have something in your hand that scratches up the inside of your door cup area, the Laminex will also take the abuse there. We also make pre-cut rear bumper guards to protect your rear bumper from any scuffing or scratching as you're loading equipment, loading groceries, or you're using your trunk area for anything else.
We also make our paint protection products available in door sill guards to protect the inside edge of your door from being scraped up by any heels or boots or anything else that might scrape the inside of your door as you're entering and exiting the vehicle.
We also make pre-cut protection, pre-cut to fit the A-pillar on your vehicle. So as you're driving down the road, any rocks or debris that's kicked up or any bugs that might splat into your A-pillar, the Laminex takes all of the damage and your A-pillar is completely protected. We also have pre-cuts covering the entire side rocker panel of your vehicle as well as the wheel arches to protect the side of your vehicle as you're driving and any dust, dirt, or debris is being slung up by the tires. We also make a pre-cut kit to cover our fuel door. So as you're getting gas and you might close your fuel door with your keys or your fuel door is scratched up for any other reason, the Laminex actually takes all the abuse and can be removed at any time.
We also have our invisible bug guards, which protect the entire front end of your vehicle from any bug splats or any other impact damage that may occur over time.
All of our pre-cut kits are made for an easy peel and stick installation. And we also offer complete clear bra kits, pre-cut for your vehicle for maximum protection. If you have any questions about our Laminex paint protection film, visit our website. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.